Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have an order from Aliexpress. Basically, I ordered a few things, but I paid $9.63 and that was including shipping and handling. And it's from a shop called Yoofun, and that's on Aliexpress. Opening things. Now this is a texture mixing material paper, is what it says. And I think there's 60 pieces to it. But basically there's a bunch of different sizes to it and different designs. And I chose like a color. Let me put this over here. So there's a white background. I chose a pink theme. I think they have different colors, and I like the texture of these types of papers as well. And this over here it's actually a vellum. And so there's like different designs. This is a rectangle. I think this would be like a perfect thing for journaling. More vellum. For the most part, there's repeats of these two, but for the most part, I don't see any other type of repeats. Square. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy using these. Some of them have different textures. And the backgrounds for all of, or not for all of them, at least the ones made out of paper, the behind of it is white. But obviously for the vellum, there's one clear side and one not so clear. These are bigger ones. Again, different textured papers, vellum. And that's it for this pack one. This one has, I think, 30 pieces. 30 pieces, yeah. And I think there's 15 designs. And so they're basically plants with gold foiling. So that's a repeat. So I think there's 15 designs and 30 pieces. So each design has a repeat. There's that. I already got 15 of them. And honestly, I think they're so pretty. So since my entire order was, and this is like a pet tape, so you can like peel off the backing and it acts like a sticker. But basically, my entire order was $9.63. This was like probably less than $2. I think the most expensive thing were these paper packs, and it was like $2.80. This one also has 30 pieces. However, it has 10 designs, so each piece repeats 3 times. Yeah, these are so pretty, and they would be so nice for journaling. Oh, this is actually a different one. It looks so similar. I chose the yellow color. Yeah, and that is it. These are very nice. And for each of these, there's like quotes. Conversation about the weather is the last refuge of the unimaginative. That's a bit funny. Every moment, happiness or sadness we share. So I'm really loving these designs, and I chose the yellow design, but there were like different colors. So it's kind of hard to see, but this is a purple theme, and there are quotes or sayings in purple, and then there's also a white lacing type of design. And so this acts like it looks like there's a backing to it, so you have to either cut out the design and then remove the backing. And so it kind of acts like pet tape. The white is a bit hard to see. This yellow one. And it looks like it's a sunflower theme. Also has some white lacing and then yellow text. I'm pretty happy with this order, and I can't wait to start using these stickers and these papers.